Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What is the difference between forced convection and natural convection? Force is when you use external means such as a fan, pump, or wind. Natural convection is when the fluid moves due to buoyancy. So, in terms of heat transfer, the context is that for forced convection, you're using external stuff to move it via a fluid, such as wind. So if you want to transfer heat via wind, you're using a fan or pump or the natural air. Whereas natural convection is when you have the something placed and you just let it cool and naturally heat transfer by itself. I think that's the best way to explain it in my own words. The deeper explanation, they just use more fancy words, but it's the same stuff. So they say it's the fluid motion arises solely from the difference in density caused by the temperature variations known as buoyancy. Same stuff, but they just use fancy words. Okay, so thanks for watching. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using the snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, you can click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once it's open, click on video option, click on new, then left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button. In snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.